Hello everyone, this is Deniz Derin reporting you from Istanbul, Turkey. Let's go over the daily news. Here's my Twitter address. Let's begin real fast. So, we've got some pretty exciting news today. Let's begin. MicroStrategy will be selling $400 million worth of their senior notes to qualified institutional buyers to invest in Bitcoin. And after their announcement, Citibank downgraded MicroStrategy's stock to sell. Jack Dorsey's Square announced that they will be launching Bitcoin Clean Energy Investment Initiative to support companies working on green energy Bitcoin mining, also dedicating $10 million to the cause. Huobi Exchange will be listing at Insure Network. Also, Huobi stablecoin HUSD will be running on Nervos Networks blockchain. Wells Fargo mentioned Bitcoin in their report as the best performing asset of 2020, while also adding cryptocurrency investing today is a bit like living in the early days of 1850s gold rush, which involved more speculation than investing. CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission's former chairman Chris Giancarlo said, when it comes to the money is not exclusively a government construct, never has been. Money has been as much a social construct. And it should be no surprise to anyone here that the exploration of digital money is taking place as much, and probably more, in the private sector than is taking place in the official sector. The future of money is going to be determined by the public sector and the private sector working together. MyEther Wallet announced their support for Ethereum 2.0 staking. Japanese SBI Holding and Swiss SIX Exchange are partnering to launch a digital asset exchange and issuance platform and a central securities deposit in Singapore, also aiming to meet institutional investors' demands. Turkish Murat Pak became the first crypto artist to earn over $1 million on selling blockchain-based artwork. If you go to my Medium page, I am also adding the links to the companies, firms, and people I am mentioning. So you can check his Twitter account to see his artwork. Facebook's Diem is facing threats on a lawsuit from a startup in Europe of the same name, Diem, which should be the acronym for Daily Income and Expense Manager, which could be found on Google Play and Amazon Store, which is currently running a finance application, as obvious from its name. Waves-backed algorithmic stablecoin project Neutrino is launching staking feature for their governance token NSBT. $165 million worth of Bitcoin had been transferred for approximately $1.20. And think of how much money you would pay to a central institution, to a bank, to transfer that amount of money. We are heading towards a crazy future. Bitcoin is the future. Blockchain is the future. So let's check the price. Oh, before checking the prices, CoinGecko announced their monthly crypto report, and I didn't mention this in my Medium account, but I have one more thing to tell you. Okay, so I'm reading from CoinGecko. The market recorded another yearly high at $554 billion, surpassing its previous high at $378 billion for 2020. Let's head to the prices. I will be checking the prices from CoinGecko. Let's see how Bitcoin and other crypto assets had performed today. Bitcoin is down 4%, let me just refresh the page because this was from 5 minutes ago. Okay, Bitcoin is down 3.8% at the moment, being at $18,314. Let's see. Teta Network is the highest gainer in the top 100 list with a 6.9% daily profit. The highest loser in the top 100 list is the Ampleford project with a 15.7 daily loss. So whenever I go live streaming, everyone, my friends are reminding me to check the chat. Okay, no one's in the chat right now, but I know my friend Sean is what he told me that he would be watching. Shout out to him. Follow Satoshi Sean Gives Crypto, Matt Crypto. Also, as I mentioned in the previous live streams, I will be doing a shout out to a very important person in the crypto industry in Turkey. So let me see if I can do this. Yes, shout out to you, Mr. Squanch. Mr. Ayıldızlı. He just retweeted my tweet a few minutes ago, maybe 15 minutes ago, and I was so excited about it. He's a really important person. He's the founder of Muhabbit. I've been mentioning you, Alpışık, Muhabbit, and Crypto Technica Bear in my previous live streams. As I mentioned before, they are really reliable sources of information, and they're putting a lot of effort into it. If you're a Turkish follower of mine, please go ahead and follow them as well for reliable information. And that would conclude today's live stream. I hope you're having a fantastic day. See you tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for tuning in. Goodbye.